The nightlight feature has been designed to reduce the blue light on the screen at night to help reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. It's similar to Apple Night Shift and Android Night Mode. However, if you enable nightlight on your computer, sometimes the feature may not work correctly, usually after installing a new feature update. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix nightlight on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Right click Start menu. Then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right click the graphics card and click the Uninstall Device option. Select Yes, delete the driver software from this device. Then restart your computer. After rebooting your computer, Windows 11 should automatically reinstall the latest graphics driver available from Windows Update. However, if you check the option to delete the driver from your device, you may need to reinstall the driver manually. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.